Yo, what's poppin'? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do less and accomplish more right now. If you're new to my channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well. My goal is to make videos that help you become a better person, be happier in life, and hopefully get a laugh or two while you're doing it. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do less and accomplish more. What do you mean by that, Josh? Now, this concept comes from a book called The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. On a serious note, Deepak's book writes that if you look at nature, if you analyze nature around you, you realize everything is effortless. Flowers don't try to grow. Fish don't try or stress about swimming. They just swim. I'm trying to freaking swim. How do I do this? Hey, yo, Richard, chill, man. You were born knowing how to swim. What's wrong with you? Let's go, man. We human beings, we're the only creatures who try so hard to bend nature and everything towards our will. We're the only ones who are like chasing life aggressively. And Deepak's point is that the path to success is actually the road of least resistance. It's kind of crazy because it contradicts everything we've been taught in life. You know, you gotta work hard, you gotta grind, you gotta suffer, you gotta go through all kinds of pain. Because when you work hard, when you're really working hard, you're sacrificing a lot. It could impact your sleep, your physical health, your mental health. You put yourself through so much stress. I've been that guy. I've been that guy who firmly believes in trying to work hard, trying to grind, trying to just put yourself through so much pain and arduous struggle, all that stuff, just to reach certain goals. But to this book's point, if you think about it, when you work super hard, when you have one goal and you putting your head down, you're working really hard towards that goal, you'll develop this razor sharp focus towards your goal. Such a razor sharp focus that nothing else matters, where honestly, you're not even gonna be aware of all the tools and resources around you or right under your nose that could actually help bring you closer to your goal. Because you have tunnel vision. You can't see the resources and tools that are also around you. And this is a concept in the last week that I've actually started to really internalize and really ponder and think about. But I did some thinking, since I started this my whole creative journey after I graduated college in 2015. So I started doing comedy, started doing YouTube videos, all that sort of thing, right? And in this last year, the year of 2018, and I guess creeping into 2019 as well, I saw the most success I'd ever seen in my life, period. From a professional standpoint, from like my 9-to-5 day job situation, to even creatively with comedy and all my artistic endeavors. In the professional world, I quit accounting because I wasn't having fun and I didn't think it was the best fit. I got into sales and immediately doubled my income. And comedy, entertainment, and creating things. Look, I met and worked with a number of high-level, high-profile celebrities, and I'm like, whoa, what the heck is going on? And as amazing as that was, when I sat down and thought about it, I realized during this time period, during this entire year, my first year in New York, I put forth the least amount of effort. It even feels weird to say that because my mind wants to be like, no, Josh, you grinded, but I really didn't grind that hard. In fact, what I did instead of grind super hard was I traded working hard for working smarter. I removed that tunnel vision way of thinking and started looking around me. Okay, instead of just putting myself through this arduous thing, what is a smarter way for me to go about this? Sometimes instead of just performing 8 times in a night doing stand-up comedy, maybe it meant going to a networking event where I could meet people and shake hands with individuals that could take me a little bit further, like thinking smarter. So I hope this message resonates with you, or at least you stop and think about it. Where in life, we're taught we gotta work hard, we gotta grind hard, but sometimes the success that's right around the corner involves you needing to take a step back and not try to bend everything into your will. Sometimes it means taking a step back, analyzing what's going on around you, and seeing how you can make use of the tools and resources that are literally right under your nose. So if you ask me, my realization, always lean toward working smarter. You gotta work hard, okay? Now, keep in mind, this, in my opinion, my interpretation is that the law of least effort does not mean the law of don't work at all. It doesn't mean never work, but it means lean toward working smarter. You don't always need to grind and take the most difficult, hard, arduous path. It's a law of not having to expend more effort than necessary. So take a step back, open up your consciousness, and allow yourself to reap success quicker. In the comment section down below, let me know, what are you gonna do starting today to work smarter and to utilize the law of least effort? Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you click over here for more videos. Click over here. Click over here. click over here, click. Getting older. Only about 25 years old, but there are a few things I've noticed immediately that start to change as you get older and some of the difficulties that come with it.